I'm going to show you how to do the geometric portion of this project. So I've gone ahead and pulled my image into Illustrator. She's currently horizontal, but my document's vertical, which is fine. I just scaled it proportionately, holding the Shift key with the black arrow. The first thing you'll want to do is embed your file after you place it, and the embed is located at the top of the control panel, but you have to have your image selected to embed it. You can already see that mine is because it's grayed out. And then it looked like this originally, and I went ahead and changed it down to 50% so I could see exactly what I'm doing. So I'll go ahead and lock my layer, and then I go ahead and make new layers. Right now I just have one layer running, but you're more than welcome to do a geometric shape for the face, the hair, the shirt, and the background. I would recommend working in multiple layers. So with this layer illuminated now, you can see the shapes that I've started to make. So all I did was use the pen tool. My fill is turned off and I have a red stroke. So with the pen tool selected, I went in and I'm really looking at shadow and highlight areas. You want to make sure your shapes are closed off and that they're touching each other. So then once that's closed off, I can go to this shape over here and I can make it. Even though it made this area, I'm still going to have to make a shape in there because it's technically not a shape, it's just a shape form from the negative space of the other shapes I made. Okay, so as you can see, I have a good grouping together. Then when I'm ready to add color, you'll want to start using your shortcuts. So A to get the white arrow, click on the shape, get the eyedropper tool, which is I, and then you click within that shape to fill it with color. So A for the direct selection, select the shape, I for the eyedropper, and click for the color. Now I could go back in here and make the opacity back to 100%, and then you would have more realistic colors. So A for direct selection, I for eyedropper, and click, and it fills your color in. I'll do it a couple more times. Again, you don't want your shapes large. You want them to be somewhat small because that's going to create depth in the three-dimensional aspect of your project. So with the picture layer turned off, you can start to see that all the shapes are forming into a geometric shape to create a form in a 3D shape, which is what you want with shadows and highlights.